Hello students, in the last class we have studied about the preparation of the phenol. In this class we can study about the properties of the phenol. Before going to properties of phenol, first consider the structure of functional group. Structure of the functional group. In the structure of the functional group, the hybridization of OH bonded carbon. In phenol, hybridization of OH bonded carbon is sp2. sp2 hybridization. Due to sp2 hybridization, the OH bonded carbon acquires partial double bond character. That acquires partial double bond character. Why it acquires partial double bond character means the oxygen contains two lone pair electrons. Oxygen atom has two lone pair electrons. These lone pair electrons, they are in conjugation. They are in conjugation with the pi electrons of the benzene ring. If the lone pair electrons, they are in conjugation with pi electrons of the benzene ring. If this lone pair shifted to this position, double bond moves to this corner. Hence, that carbon atom acquires partial double bond character. Why OH bonded carbon acquires partial double bond character means due to conjugation. Due to conjugation of lone pair electrons on oxygen with pi electrons of the benzene ring. With pi electrons of the benzene ring, that carbon atom acquires partial double bond character. Due to this partial double bond character, the carbon oxygen bond length in phenol is smaller than in methyl alcohol. The carbon oxygen bond length in phenol is smaller. That is, in phenol, that carbon oxygen bond length is 136 picometer, while in methyl alcohol it is of 142 picometer. Why that carbon oxygen bond length in phenol is smaller than in methyl alcohol means in methyl alcohol that oxygen bonded carbon atom is sp3 hybridized. It has only single bond character. But in phenol, the OH bonded carbon atom is sp2 hybridized. It get partial double bond character. Why it get partial double bond character means because the conjugation means interaction. Conjugation of lone pair electrons on oxygen with pi electrons of the benzene ring. Due to these reasons, due to partial double bond character, CO bond length in phenol is smaller than in methyl alcohol. This is about the structure of the functional group. Next, you study about the acidic nature of phenol. Next one is acidic nature of phenol. This is most important for 1 mark. or in sometimes they can ask for 2 marks also. Acidic nature of phenol. The phenols are acidic in nature. The nature of the phenol is acidic. Phenol is acidic in nature. Why it is acidic in nature means it reacts with, phenol reacts with active metals like sodium. It reacts with an active metal like sodium, forms sodium phenoxide like alcohols. Alcohols form sodium alkoxide. Similarly, for phenol forms sodium phenoxide liberating hydrogen. For example, phenol formula is C6H5OH. Instead of structure, I am considered the molecular formula C6H5OH. Phenol reacts with sodium, active metal. It forms sodium phenoxide C6H5ONa, liberates hydrogen gas. To balance 2 moles of phenol, 2Na, 2 moles of sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, or you can call sodium phenate also, both are same. In addition to active metal, phenol also reacts with sodium hydroxide. In addition to active metal like sodium and aluminium, phenol also reacts with sodium hydroxide, form sodium phenoxide. Sodium phenoxide, that is phenol C6H5OH plus NaOH gives C6H5ONa, sodium phenoxide liberating water. These two reactions shows the acidic nature of the phenol. If they mention give a reaction to show the acidic nature of phenol, then you have to write that phenol reacts with active metal like sodium, forms sodium phenoxide, liberating hydrogen gas. Or phenol reacts with base like NaOH, forms sodium phenoxide. These two reactions shows that phenol is acidic in nature. Then we can explain the acidic nature of phenol on the basis of resonance theory also. On the basis of the resonance theory. For this one, when phenol dissolved in water, that is in aqueous medium, phenol dissolved in water, it dissociates to give C6H5O minus and H3O plus. This is phenol. This is phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. When phenol dissolved in water forms phenoxide ion, it loses the proton. Substances which donates the proton, those are called as an acids. We can explain this equilibrium shifted in the forward direction. If it shifts in the forward direction, that indicates that phenol loses the proton. Phenol loses the proton. If the substance donates the proton, those are called as an acids. We consider that resonance structures. This is the phenol. This is the resonance symbol. If this lone pair electron conjugate with this pi electron, if shifted to this position, this pi electron moves to this corner, then the resonance structure becomes here negative charge, these double bonds remain same, this single bond converted into double bond, O, H, only one lone pair, and oxygen develops the positive charge. This is the one resonance structure of the phenol. Similarly, we can write the resonance structure for phenoxide ion. This is phenoxide. The resonance structure is given by this negative charge shifted to this position. Double bond moves to this corner. Then the resonance structure is here negative charge develop, double bond O, double bond O. No positive charge on the oxygen. This is the resonance structures of phenol. Another one is the phenoxide. You observe the resonance structures of phenol and phenoxide. In the phenol molecule, charge separation takes place. Charge separation, that is positive and negative. Charge separation occurs, while in phenoxide, no charge separation. No charge separation. Already existing negative charge on the oxygen delocalized over the benzyl ring. That is, no charge separation in case of the phenoxide. Due to the absence of charge separation in phenoxide, the phenoxide is more stable compared to phenol. Out of phenol and phenoxide, phenoxide is more stable, while phenol is unstable. Unstable means more reactive. Due to more stability of the phenoxide, this equilibrium shifted in the forward direction, means phenol donates the proton. If it donates the proton, means phenol is acidic in nature. This is about the resonance theory. In simple form, you have to explain because it carries only 2 marks. Just you write these points. Phenol dissolved in water forms phenoxide and write this reaction. Both phenol and phenoxide ions are stabilized by resonance. No need of writing this resonance structure. Just mention both phenol and phenoxide ions are stabilized by resonance. Out of phenol and phenoxide ion, phenoxide ion is more stable. Phenoxide ion is more stable. Again, no need to explain why phenoxide is more stable. Just you mention phenoxide ion is more stable than the phenol. Hence, equilibrium shifted in the forward direction, means phenol donates the proton. Hence, phenol is acidic in nature. This is about the acidic nature of phenol on the basis of resonance theory. Next, you can explain phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic than alcohol. This is most important for 2 marks. Generally, for 1 mark, they can ask out of phenol and alcohol, which is more acidic. Then no need of writing the reason. Out of phenol and alcohol, which is more acidic. For 2 marks, they can ask why phenol is more acidic than the alcohol. Then you have to write the reason. Out of phenol and alcohol, phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic than the alcohol. First, you consider ionization of both alcohol and the phenol. This alcohol ionizes, alcohol dissociates, alcohol ionizes to give RO minus and H plus. That is alkoxide ion and proton. Similarly, phenol ionizes, phenol dissociate to give phenoxide ion and proton. Both are donating the proton, but phenol is more acidic than the alcohol. You have to explain why phenol is more acidic than alcohol. Means that in simple form, the alkoxide ion formed from alcohol is not stabilized by resonance. For the alkoxide ion, no resonance structure. It is not stabilized by the resonance. This is the one reason. While phenoxide ion formed from the phenol. Phenoxide ion is stabilized by resonance. You can write the resonance structures for the phenoxide ion, but not for the alkoxide ion. Higher the number of resonance structures for any compound, if you write more number of the resonance structure, then that compound is said to be the more stable. Higher the number of resonance structure, higher will be the stability. If phenoxide is more stable, means phenol becomes unstable, it can easily lose the proton. This is the important point. Just for 1 mark reason, you write this is the explanation. Alkoxide ion formed from the alcohol, not stabilized by resonance, while phenoxide ion formed by the ionization of phenol is stabilized by the resonance. No need of writing the resonance structures, just you mention in the words only. Alkoxide ion formed from the alcohol, not stabilized by the resonance, while phenoxide ion formed by the ionization of phenol is stabilized by resonance. Hence, phenol is more acidic than alcohol. This is about the acidic nature of phenol and alcohol. In another form, we can also explain. In the phenol, OH bonded carbon atom is sp2, while this is in phenol. In phenol, OH bonded carbon atom is sp2, while in alcohol, OH bonded carbon is sp3. In alcohol, OH bonded carbon is sp3. In phenol, OH bonded carbon atom is sp2. This sp2 carbon atom is more electronegative. It is more electronegative than the sp3 carbon. Compared to sp3 carbon in alcohol, sp2 carbon in phenol is more electronegative. Due to this more electronegative nature, it can attract the electrons on the oxygen atom. This more electronegative carbon atom attracts the electrons on the lone pair electrons on the oxygen towards the carbon atom. Hence, this more electronegative carbon decreases the electron density on oxygen. When the electron density on oxygen decreases, polarity of OH bond increases. Polarity of that OH bond increases. Due to that increase in the polarity, this OH bond can be easily broken. That means phenol easily loses the proton. This is the second type of explanation. You can write any one form. Why phenol is more acidic than alcohol means, that is, you can explain by using this resonance structures. That is, one is alkoxide ion formed from the ionization of alcohol, not stabilized by resonance, while phenoxide ion formed by the ionization of phenol is stabilized by resonance, makes phenol more acidic than alcohol. This is one format. Second format is in phenol, OH bonded carbon atom is sp2 hybridized, while in alcohol, OH bonded carbon is sp3 hybridized. sp2 carbon is more electronegative, hence that sp2 carbon decreases the electron density on the oxygen atom. When the electron density on oxygen decreases, polarity of the OH bond increases in phenol compared to that of the alcohol. Polarity of the OH bond increases. When the polarity of the OH bond increases means we can easily break the OH bond, that can donate the proton very easily compared to that of the alcohol, which makes phenol is more acidic than the alcohol. This is very important for the 2 marks. All the students have to follow this one. At least out of phenol and alcohol, which is more acidic? That is, phenol is more acidic. If you know that why phenol is more acidic, then you can give the reasons by using that resonance theory. Alkoxide ion foreign is not stabilized by resonance, while phenoxide ion foreign is stabilized by resonance. This is enough for 2 marks. Next, you can explain effect of substituents on the acidity of the phenol. There are 2 types of substituents. One is electron donating groups, and the second one is electron withdrawing groups, electron donating groups and electron withdrawing group. Electron donating groups example is CH3, methyl group. Alkyl groups are the electron donating group. Electron withdrawing groups example are NO2, nitro group. First you consider effect of electron donating group on the acidity of the phenol. For example, you take this is phenol and one more as this is phenol. To this phenol CH3 is present, CH3 is bonded. This is the electron donating group. Out of phenol, and this is called as an cresol. And already we have considered the classification of phenol. There I explained this is an example for monohydric phenol. The name of this compound is called orthocresol. This is phenol. Out of this cresol and phenol, you have to explain which one is more acidic. First, you consider the general explanation. Electron donating groups decreases the acidic strength. Decreases the acidic strength of the phenol. Why they decreases the acidic strength of phenol means because they decreases the stability. They decrease the stability of the phenoxide ion. Phenoxide ion. Because they increase electron density on the oxygen atom. This is the reason. Simple explanation. Electron donating group like methyl decreases the acidic strength of the phenol. Why it decreases the acidic strength of phenol means it decreases the stability of the phenoxide ion because they increase the electron density on the oxygen. By using this explanation, out of phenol and cresol, which one is more acidic? Yes, phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic than the cresol. Why phenol is more acidic than the cresol means cresol contains the electron donating group, CH3 group. CH3 is an electron donating group, but phenol has no such electron donating group. Cresol contains an electron donating group, hence phenol is more acidic than the cresol, orthocresol. This is about the electron donating group. Similarly, electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group example is NO2, nitro group. Electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of the phenol. Electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength of the phenol. Why they increase the acidic strength means because they increase the stability of formed phenoxide ion. They increase the stability of phenoxide ion by decreasing the electron density on oxygen. Due to withdrawing nature, electron withdrawing nature, they decrease the electron density on oxygen atom. When the electron density decreases, they increases the stability of the phenoxide ion. Due to greater stability of the phenoxide, acidic strength of the phenol get also increases. This is the final conclusion. Electron donating groups decrease the acidic strength of the phenol. Electron withdrawing groups increase the acidic strength of the phenol. For this one, example is you consider these two compounds. This is phenol, another one is OH, to the benzene ring, NO2 group is present. This is called as the phenol, this is called as the nitrophenol, commonly orthonitrophenol. These are the ortho position. Out of phenol and orthonitrophenol, which one is more acidic? That is, phenol is weaker acid. Phenol is weaker acid than the nitrophenol. Why nitrophenol is more acidic? Means nitrophenol contains the NO2 group. NO2 is an example for electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group increases the acidic strength. For competitive exam, you have to consider the isomers of the cresol. That is orthocresol, metacresol and paracresol. You have to compare, you have to glance that acidic strength order by using all the isomers. For that one, first one is metacresol. Next one is paracresol. Next one is orthocresol. Generally, phenol is more acidic. Phenol is more acidic than the metacresol. Paracresol, orthocresol. MPO, you remember as MPO for the electron donating groups. MPO. Then withdrawing groups. First, you have to consider the paranitrophenol. Next one is orthonitrophenol. Then metanitrophenol, and finally phenol. That is, order is paranitrophenol is more acidic than the orthonitrophenol, than the metanitrophenol, than that of the phenol. That is, in withdrawing groups, phenol is weaker acid. Hence, first you have to write the paranitro, orthonitro, metanitro. Generally, it is taken as an POM for the withdrawing, POM, para, ortho, metanitrophenol, then phenol. Then for cresols, MPO, metacresol, paracresol, orthocresol. You remember these codes, MPO for the cresols and POM for the nitrophenol. Then you can easily write the order. If any more than one withdrawing group present, then they are more acidic. That is, compared to paranitrophenol, we are using in competitive exam, we are using picric acid. Later I will discuss about the picric acid. Picric acid means the 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. There are 3 nitro groups are present in the picric acid. Picric acid more acidic than the paranitrophenol. This is the explanation for the electron donating groups and electron withdrawing groups and the acidity of the phenol. This acidic strength generally explained on the basis of the pKa value. In first year equilibrium, ionic equilibrium, you know the pKa and Ka values. pKa is smaller the pKa, stronger the acid. In terms of the pKa, smaller pKa value, stronger will be the acid. In terms of Ka, higher the Ka, stronger will be the acid. Higher the Ka, stronger will be the acid. Smaller the pKa, stronger will be the acid. This is important for the competitive because they are giving the pKa values and arrange them in their increasing or decreasing order. At that time, you have to familiar with this point. Smaller the pKa value, stronger will be the acid. If you observe the pKa values, for picric acid is very low pKa value. Next one is for paranitrophenol, orthonitrophenol, metanitrophenol. For paranitrophenol, generally its value is 7.1 paranitrophenol. For orthonitrophenol, value is 7.2. For metanitrophenol, nearly it is of 8.3. For the phenol, it is of 10. You compare that pKa values. Smaller the pKa, stronger will be the acid. Out of 7.1, 7.2 and 8.3, 7.1 is smaller. It is for the paranitrophenol. Hence, paranitrophenol is a stronger acid compared to ortho, compared to metanitrophenol. Similarly, for that orthocresol, it is of 10.2. Orthocresol 10.2. For metacresol 10.1. For metacresol 10.1. For paracresol, it is almost 10.2. That is the generally it is a 10.19 something, almost taken as the 10.2. By using smaller pKa value, that is phenol is of 10. Smaller the pKa value, stronger will be the acid. And also we know that alcohols, compared to alcohols and phenols are more acidic. I will take one example. You have to arrange them in their increasing or decreasing order. This is the example. That is, first compound is propane 1-ol, means it is an alcohol. Then second compound is 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. Third one is 3-nitrophenol. Fourth one is 3,4 dinitrophenol. Fifth one is phenol. Sixth one is 4-methylphenol. They are considered that arrange them in the increasing order of acidic strength. The question is arrange this compound in the increasing order of acidic strength. Increasing order means you have to consider from the weaker acid. Among that these compounds, weaker acid is the first compound is an alcohol. Remaining all are the phenols. We already were considered that alcohols are weaker acid. Hence, first compound is weaker. Increasing order, that is a weaker acid. That is propane 1-ol is weaker acid. Then second one is out of electron donating and electron withdrawing group. Electron donating and electron withdrawing group. First one is electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group example is nitro. Nitrophenol is more acidic than the phenol. Phenol is more acidic than the cresol. In last we are considered that nitrophenols are more stronger acids than the phenol, while phenols are stronger acids than the cresol, because cresol contains electron donating, nitrophenol contains withdrawing group. You compare, you observe in these examples, that is electron withdrawing group and donating groups. First we are considered the alcohol. Next one is before going to nitrophenol, first you have to consider the cresol, that is electron donating. In the sixth compound, electron donating is present, that is 1 less than the 6, correct? 1 less than 6. Next, nitrophenol. In the before going to that nitrophenol, next one is phenol. Phenol they are given fifth compound, phenol less than. Then nitrophenols. Nitrophenols. First one is in nitrophenols we are using palm. That is paranitrophenol stronger than ortho than meta. Here in the second compound 3 nitro, in the fourth compound 2 nitro, third compound only 1 nitro. Hence this is weaker. Third compound is weaker. Next one is 4 nitro groups. As the donating withdrawing groups increases, acidic strength also increases. Based on that one, next one is fourth compound. Finally, second compound. This is more acidic. This is the order, increasing order. This is about the acidic strength of the phenols. Next class, we can study about the electrophilic substitution reactions of phenol.